Here we go, the stage of tonight's big gig. I know what you're thinking, let's see backstage. Come on then, access all areas. Here we go, backstage. There's me stuff. This is backstage behind this fence. But don't worry, there's a generator there, and of course, a Christmas tree. It's not a Christmas light switch on, we've had a Christmas tree. Here we go. Over there's guys from the radio. There they are. And this is the location of tonight's big gig, right next door to Wilco's. That's right, I'm getting my pick and mix. I'm getting myself backstage behind me fence. There's a fun fair for the kids. Scream if you want to go faster. It's good. What am I gonna go? Oh, I'm going on the quad bike. That's mine. I'm going on the quad bike. So it's early days at the moment. Everyone's just setting up all of their Christmas stalls, and the big gig is tonight. I've not slept in over 24 hours, so I'm now going to go to bed, have a kip, and I'll return later to rescue Shan from the in-laws. Here we go, back at the Earlstown Christmas light switch on, and it's now night time and things are kicked off. Look, there's Shan. There she is. We're going to go see if we can set up for tonight's show, and yeah, I'll try to show you a bit around. We're backstage at the Christmas light switch on Earlstown. Backstage being behind this fence. There's the crowd right there. I don't know where my personal security detail have gone. They've left me. He's getting a sack. Here we are. Here's the crowd for tonight. Look, it's snowing. It's snowing in Earlstown. On stage now we've got the, I think it's the Newton Gobstoppers. They'll be warming crowd up for us tonight. And look, Wilco's is open! All done for the night, and bedtime now. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. See you next time.